Okay, this is a quick impromptu video about something that I just used to fix a dining room table that we had purchased off of Craigslist that someone had munged. And it's something I found when I was going through my wife's mother's stuff. This belonged to her father, and he was a carpenter and he died in the 80s. And this is a Stanley Doweling Jig number 59. It was purchased from Lubo's Hardware for $8.50. I do not know how old this thing is without doing some research, but I would say it's early 50s. This is a pretty spiffy thing. And the way it works, if I can do this, because I don't have a proper tripod, is you clamp this after you mark your wood where you want to put your holes for your dowels or whatever holes you want to drill. You clamp this onto your wood, then you take one of these, say this one is a number 8 1/2 inch, and you put it in here. I will use the number 7/16, since it's already, you put it in there, and then you set this, the 7, to the distance from the edge of the wood, in this case 7/8 for a 1 3/4 or a 2x4, the edge of a 2x4. And then you line up this line with your mark. You know, you tighten everything down, and then it comes with a drill stop, and you then drill your holes. And then when you just do this, you just line them all up, and it works pretty well. I used it to fix this this table, and the holes are straight. They weren't wallowed out. Everything just looked great. I was really shocked. I don't think this is anything you can get anymore, but it's pretty cool. And I hope that was interesting. Later.